Hello, this is Bhavna Verma with another presentation on advertisement. Today we are going to discuss about the classified advertisement, as we have earlier discussed that advertisements are divided in two categories, that is classified and commercial. So in the classified advertisement we have earlier discussed situation vacant and situation wanted, and now we are going to discuss sale and purchase. We'll learn in this video about the sale and purchase, its keynotes, the different things included in it, different items included in it. So sale and purchase. What we are going to sell or purchase? It can be a plot, it can be flats, it can be any agricultural land, it can be vehicles like car, bike, it can be any household items. Household items means that we are using in our house some electronic things, some kind of furniture is there. So these are the different things that come in the category of sale or purchase. So we'll take it one by one and we will discuss the different keywords that we have to remember while framing an advertisement. First of all, we will discuss about plots or agricultural land. Okay, that means plot means a simple land. Nothing is constructed over it. And the points that we have to remember while framing an advertisement is, we should start with sale purchase or available wanted. If we want to sell something, then we should start with sale or available, and if we want to purchase something, buy something, we will start with purchase or wanted. Okay, so it is the beginning, and now what should be the key point? First of all, you should mention the area per square meter, like a 150 square meter plot, a 200 square meter plot, or square feet. So you have to write down the area where its unit. Second one is location, where your plot is located. So while writing this, better to write easily approachable, in the heart of the city. Mention near. After near, write down the different kind of facilities that he can avail from the plot, from your plot that you are going to sell. That it is near some railway station, airport, metro, hospital, school, prime market, etc. You should not use all these options, but better to use any two or three of them. You can also use the phrase good connectivity. Good connectivity itself explains that the approachability or the connectivity to the different facilities of the city is very good from the location of the plot. Now, what are the different kind of properties? First one is commercial. Commercial means, as we have seen, different kind of IT parks or malls, cinema halls, theaters, or some multiplexes buildings, that all come under commercial property. Residential property, that is very much clear to us. The houses, duplexes, villas, flats, these all come under residential property. When we are talking about flats in residential property, that is a built-up property. And when we are going to discuss plots, then residential property means that it is a unconstructed land. It is a simple land but in a residential area. As you must have seen, the different plots for auction or for sale that comes in Huda or PUDA, PUDA. Punjab Urban Development Authorities. So that is the residential property. Some industrial property, that some lands are fixed in a state for the sale or for the development of the industries there. So it is about the industrial property. Now for flats, we have discussed the point that we should remember for plot. Now the next one is for flats. Flat means constructed buildings, that there are full-fledged houses. It must be having, as we have nowadays seen that 3 BHK, 2 BHK, they are in trend. 2 BHK, BHK. Here BHK means bedroom, hall and kitchen. So what we should keep in mind that while starting, as in the case of plots, we have seen that we have to mention sale or available if we want to sell something, and purchase or wanted if we want to buy something. Next, we will also mention the area, location and size of the flat, that is, it is 3 BHK, 2 BHK, villas, duplex or something else, or independent properties. Next, mention the fittings and fixtures. What we can include in fitting and fixture is modular kitchen, attached balcony, semi-furnished. Semi-furnished means, as I have shown in this picture, that semi-furnished means some of the little bit furnitures are there, like they have given the modular kitchen. They have also some simple furnitures are available for you. Cabinets are there. Fixtures like electricity, like fan or lights are there. So these are called semi-furnished. Next, the thing that we can include is attached toilet, bathroom. So these are about the fittings and fixtures. These are fitting and fixtures. Now next point that we should mention in a constructed flats or houses is 24/7 running water and electricity supply. Running water and electricity supply 24/7, good sewerage condition, parking facility. Parking facility should also be there. Nobody is going to buy the flats where they are dealing with the problem of parking their vehicles. So mention it. Now there are some more important points that we should always mention, that property is undisputed. What phrase we are going to write here is undisputed property. As we have discussed in advertisement for situation vacant and wanted, that it is better to use phrases than sentences. Put commas and put on the phrases, not a complete sentence. Okay. Next, price negotiable. Price negotiable, that you are going to discuss the price when you will meet your customer, or you can also mention some price here. Next is mode of payment. What kind of payment you are going to prefer? So what we can write is price negotiable, prefer check payment, or prefer cash on delivery, cash on the agreement, while you are making the agreement for that land or flat, then you will prefer cash for that. Always remember to put your contact address, your email ID or your mobile number at the end of the advertisement. Okay, so these three things should be there, whether it is the case of plot, some industrial, some commercial property, or residential property, or flats are there. Whatever be the case, you have to mention these 3 points in all the cases. Okay, these points should necessarily be there. Earlier that we have discussed in different slides, that can be optional, that you can choose either 3 or 4 or 5 phrases for that. But these all points should necessarily be there. So here is the example. You are Harish or Harshita of 12 Sevanagar, Pune. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Pune Time under the classified column. So here what we should consider is 50 words. Okay, I have told you many of the phrases, many of the options, but you should remember that the word limit is 50 words. So you should frame your advertisement according to that. You should use the optional phrases according to your word limit. So here is the answer for that. First of all, it is a box item as we have discussed in situation vacant and wanted. For sale, flat number 12, Sevanagar, Pune. It is the address of the seller. It can be in the beginning. You may also put it at the end. But why we are putting it in the beginning? Because we have to tell him about the area where the flat is available for sale. Ground floor with 2 bedrooms having attached bathroom, car parking available, park facing. We can also tell the different best features our that property is having. Best location, or you can say prime location, or you can also use in the heart of the city. Friendly neighbor, 24-hour power and water supply, low maintenance charges, reasonable price. You can also write price negotiable. You can also mention a proper price for that. For further details, contact this and that. Okay. So these are the different things that we should include. So here in this example, we have seen that he has taken 6 or 7 phrases for that. So you should also remember it that these 6-7 phrases should be there. Now next is keyword for the sale of vehicles. For the sale of vehicles. Now, what are the different kind of vehicles we are going to sell? Is it can be a car, it can be a bike, or it can be truck, or any 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, 3-wheelers, all that. Okay, so from where we should start? Again, sale or purchase, as we have discussed in the case of property. Then we will start with color or brand. A white Suzuki, a black Alto. Okay, so you have to mention at first the color and the brand. Next comes is model and year of manufacturing. Model and year of manufacturing. Okay, like 2016 model, 2018 model. Next is engine, whether it is a diesel engine or it is a petrol engine. Then power of your engine in cc. You might have seen that while buying a car or a bike, your parents used to see that what is the capacity of the engine, what is the power of the engine. It can be 100 cc, it can be 1000 cc, 1200, 2000 cc, that is the power. Okay, so you can mention it here. How much kilometer done? How much kilometer done? That means how much have you run that vehicle? Like it is 10,000 kilometer done, it is 20,000 kilometer done. Okay, so here we should remember that we must mention it here, because people while buying the second hand vehicles used to see it, used to observe that how much kilometers it has done. Next is mileage. The mileage should be 20. In case of bike or Activa, like we used to mention 50 km per liter. Per liter, keep it in mind that it is per liter. Never mention per hour. When it becomes here per hour, then it is the speed, not the mileage. Okay, mileage means how much it run in a liter. Okay, And in case of cars, it is 22, 26, 28, like that. Alright. One more thing, that while mentioning the kilometer done, we should not mention 100 kilometers done, 50 kilometer done. It means it hasn't been used. Okay. So it gives a wrong frame. So always mention the kilometer done in thousands. Next is condition. What is the condition of your vehicle? Better to write some of these phrases. Scratch free, in good condition, in immaculate condition. You can write these words. Next come the features. You can use different features like it is a self-start bike, okay, or battery operated, or in case of cars you can use it is alloy wheels, okay, power brakes, digital meters or digital music system, LED screen, and many more things are there. All safety measures are fitted. Insurance valid up to. From the above points, in condition, features, you may use any of 2 or 3 options, but insurance is the most important point. It is the most important point. Then again at the last, your contact number, email address or ID. Here again you will surely mention that price negotiable. Okay. Other important vocabularies that you must use is self-start, single owner, battery recently replaced, well maintained, less used, or sparingly used. Sparingly used is also less used. Then mode of payment, whether you would prefer a check or a cash for that. Now here again is the example. Again you must see that 50 words are the word limit for it. Draft a classified advertisement and note not more than 50 words to be published in India Times for the sale of used motor car, giving all the necessary details. You can be contacted at 1345678 CBSE 2017. It is an example I have taken from the net. So let us see how it is solved. For sale, as I mentioned, that if you are selling some property, vehicle or anything, you must mention sale. Available, black color, Maruti Swift Dzire. It is the makeup or the brand, ZXi engine, year 2016, year of manufacturing. Then the features and different conditions: self-driven, cautiously used, scratchless with stereo and perfect working air conditioner, no scratches, beautiful upholstery, good condition. Interested may contact Ram or Rajni and then your phone number. Okay. So here like this you can you may also add after this good condition you may add price negotiable or at attractive prices. Okay. Now here is the difference between sale and purchase. What is the difference? What things we should remember while making a sale or purchase? In case of sale, you should give the features of your property that you are going to sell. Why we are giving the features of the property? Because our motive is to attract the buyer. We have to attract the buyer, so we have to give all the best features we are having in our property. And in case of purchase, start with purchase, then mention what do you want to purchase, whether it is a bike, whether it is car, whether it is some electronic item, whether it is a house or a flat, anything. Okay. What are your requirements? Your requirements means again it is area, it is location, what kind of location you want for your property, what kind of accessories you are expecting, what kind of facilities you are looking for, and the cost, your budget. Okay, you can also use the vocabulary of sale as well. We have seen different vocabularies in sale of uh, plot and property and vehicles. The same you can use in purchase. Okay, it should be in immaculate condition, it should be less used, it should be only 10 to 15,000 kilometers done. Okay, so these are the different things. Or you want LED in that, LED screen should be there in the model. So these are the different things that you can put in purchase also. Thank you for your patience listening and hope you are doing well in this lockdown period. Good day.